Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the GeneDx Atom DNA test kit, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. Here's a closer look at the GeneDx Atom DNA test kit. GeneDx is a reputable leader in the field of genetic testing, and their Atom DNA test kit is specifically designed for individuals seeking a deeper understanding of their genetic predispositions to various health conditions, including hereditary diseases and rare genetic disorders. This test is particularly beneficial for those who have a personal or family history of medical issues that may be linked to genetic factors. GeneDx specializes in clinical-grade genetic testing, ensuring highly accurate results with a strong focus on health and medical insights. Their comprehensive analysis examines genes associated with a range of hereditary conditions, such as cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorders, and various cancers. The test also provides valuable information for healthcare providers, enabling more precise diagnoses of rare or complex conditions, and informing treatment plans and preventive strategies. The testing process is straightforward, starting with a simple cheek swab or saliva sample collection. Once you return your sample to GeneDx, their laboratory conducts a thorough analysis of your DNA using cutting-edge sequencing technology. Your results are then delivered through a secure online platform, and often include the option of consultations with genetic counselors who can help you interpret the findings and understand the next steps. What sets GeneDx apart is its highly personalized approach to genetic testing. They cater to specific needs, such as pediatric conditions or adult-onset disorders. They also offer actionable insights, including personalized health management plans tailored to your unique genetic makeup. This makes the kit a particularly valuable tool for patients, caregivers, and individuals proactively managing potential genetic health risks. While GeneDx's services are primarily medically oriented, they may not be the best fit for casual users interested in general ancestry or wellness information. The reports are comprehensive and detailed, and may require professional interpretation to fully grasp their implications. In conclusion, GeneDx is a top choice for advanced, health-focused DNA testing. If you're searching for a reliable, clinically oriented service that prioritizes precision and actionable medical insights, this kit is an excellent option. For more information and to embark on your genetic health journey, check out the links in the description below.